Cherries are often consumed for their sweet and pleasant taste, and are even one of the most popular fruits around the world. Not only are they delicious, but they are packed with nutrition and can promote our health in many unique and tremendous ways. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of cherries. First, cherries are an amazing source of many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Cherries are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, manganese, vitamin K, and copper. They are also a good source of dietary fiber, plant compounds, and antioxidants. Just be sure to consume them in moderation as they can be high in sugar content. Cherries are an antioxidant powerhouse, and many individuals are beginning to see them as a superfood due to their high concentration of plant compounds and antioxidants. They are a rich source of polyphenol and carotenoid antioxidants, as well as vitamin C and beta-carotene. Cherries and cherry juice are an excellent way to improve overall heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cherries contain high levels of heart-healthy nutrients such as potassium, fiber, and polyphenol antioxidants. Powerful polyphenol antioxidants such as flavonols, anthocyanins, and catechins are especially important for reducing inflammation that can damage the cardiovascular system. Due to their high amounts of anti-inflammatory compounds, antioxidants, and nutrition, cherries can help to reduce and relieve symptoms associated with arthritis and even reduce gout and uric acid buildup. This allows cherries to help reduce swelling and inflammation around the joints and also joint pain. Lastly, surprising to some, but consuming cherries may help to improve sleep quality when consumed before bed. This is often attributed to their potent plant compounds, but perhaps even more importantly, their good levels of melatonin. Studies have shown that cherries can significantly increase melatonin levels, improve sleep quality, and also sleep duration. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.